everybody, good afternoon, and I am going to make one of my favorite shakes today, and I just wanted to share. Haven't been on here for a little bit, so just wanted to share this with you. So what I do is I normally start with some greens from my tower garden, or you can naturally buy greens. So I just have a little spinach in here, so I'm putting that in there. And then because it's chocolate covered strawberry shake, we're gonna have lots of chocolate, lots of strawberries. So normally I just take about a cup. Oh, and by the way, I'm making 2 shakes today. And so I'm adding some water in addition to the chocolate. My new refrigerator, I'm so excited about that. Got it on a 4th of July sale. So I'm adding that, and then I'm adding strawberries. Usually I get the frozen slice, but with the strawberries being such a good deal now, I'm just buying them and washing them, putting them on a cookie sheet, and then going with the flow. Freezing them, throwing them in a Ziploc bag. So it's gonna be a little noisy here. Got my Vitamix. I believe that's it for now. Very, very easy. So here goes the noise. I'm gonna add a little extra water to that just because I know what I need for 2 shakes. And the recipe calls for a cup of almond milk, but for 2 shakes, I usually use about 3 cups of liquid. So it's usually half almond milk, half water. So I'm always making 2, one for me and one for Matt. So, oh, another thing I forgot. Okay, so to make it creamy and dreamy, either use a little bit of banana or a little bit of avocado. So what do? Is when I have a bunch of ripe avocados, I just scoop them out, put them in balls, and freeze them, and throw them in the kitchen sink. So I'm going to throw that in there and make a little more noise. So normally I do it all together. Avocados, I can hear it still kind of in there, so that's why it seems like it's longer than usual. And then I'm going to take 2 shakes of our JuicePlus Complete Chocolate Protein Mix, and it's vegan protein. It's 13 grams, and hey, Mick. And so I'm going to take 2 packets and put it in the Vitamix. And then to make it extra chocolatey, I am going to add a few more antioxidants. I'm going to add some cacao powder, and I'm just going to add about a tablespoon of that. So yes, our JuicePlus Complete Protein has 13 grams of vegan protein, 8 grams of fiber, prebiotic, probiotic. Usually have at least a shake a day. So I'm going to whir this a little bit. And then I'm going to grab a spoon or a spatula, and I'm going to taste it. So let's see how it tastes. It should be nice and chocolate, creamy and dreamy. That's very chocolatey. very strawberry. So then I'm just pouring it in and actually doing the shred, 10-day shred now. And so this is the first batch of shakes, and then I will probably make either a berry, well, not a berry, probably make a peanut butter shake, or another favorite of ours is the almond shake. So, and that'll be it for the day. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.